Hello, you're listening to the Slab of Life.
You're loud as hell.
Why are you yelling at me?
I changed nothing, and you guys also don't hear my stream audio.
We'll just do the intro how you're talking right now.
All right, well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Slab of Life. My name's Sebastian. I'm with Joe, Paige, Jake, and Nick. Full of slab people and the slab leader.
The usual suspects.
Yeah. So today we're going to be talking about space things, space facts, scary space stuff, the traveling to Mars, Artemis 2, I believe. Let me give that a little goog.
Yeah, Artemis 2.
Artemis 2. Okay, let's talk about Artemis 2 first up. Oh, it's okay. So Artemis 2 is a planned lunar spaceflight under the Artemis program, and it is supposed to be sending people into space the furthest we've ever gone out into space, outside of gravity of Earth.
That's pretty cool.
That's fucking terrifying.
That's scary as fuck.
I think it's the first space mission to send people outside a lower Earth orbit. I think Google said 72.
Yeah, since 1972. Yeah. But was that one manned?
Apollo 17?
Yeah, first crewed mission.
Oh yeah. Okay.
It's kind of crazy we just stopped doing that for a while.
And this is in
Well, it was all because it was part of the Cold War, and once we found out that the USSR at the time didn't give a fuck about going to the moon anymore, then we stopped caring, because a lot of it was funded.
It was really all just to prove that our ICBMs could make it.
It's funny that we're talking specifically about this topic because today the space race episode came out today.
Mm-hmm.
If you guys listen to that.
Our episode, yeah.
Where we went into a deep dive of the whole space race, and I just love space. Space is cool. Space is scary.
Space is cool. Yeah, I love it.
This is pretty cool.
But this is supposed to happen in what, fucking 7 days. 7 days.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's soon.
Maybe we can go watch the flight.
I hope you can watch it on TV.
Go down to, is this in Florida? Yep, Kennedy Space Center, Cape Canaveral.
So it looks like they're doing this to test how it'll handle in big open space, So it's kind of wondering what they're planning for after, because this is just a test run, really.
I just signed up for a virtual pass to be on the Artemis rocket.
As we're talking.
Did I get to watch? Dude, yeah, I did. It's on the NASA website.
Are you committed now?
I mean, it's just
taking your ass to space.
I get to watch a live stream of the launch.
Oh, did you get the last ticket?
No, I don't.
I gotta give it to NASA. Their spacesuits look fucking cool as hell.
Yeah, I like them.
Oh, this dude's a Canadian.
Yeah. I think it said it was the first Canadian.
He's the first one.
Really?
I think
he's just the first Canadian.
Not the first Canadian. I think the first Canadian to either go to space, maybe? I don't know. I could be mistaken on that. I could be mistaken.
No way.
Yeah, let me give him a goog. This guy looks Canadian.
He has a Canadian flag on his shoulder, so.
Jeremy Roger Hansen is a Canadian astronaut, fighter pilot, physicist, and former aquanaut. What does that mean?
That means you're a diver. Yeah.
He intends to circle the moon in spring of 26. And if successful, he will be the first non-American astronaut to travel beyond low Earth orbit.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I was going to say, I don't think he's the first Canadian in space, because isn't the International Space Station manned by... internationally?
The first Canadian in space was Marc Garneau.
When was that?
That was October 5th, 1984, aboard Space Shuttle Challenger.
Huh.
Would you guys go to space?
I was kind of figuring.
Fuck yeah.
Nope. Yeah, I'd go to space.
I would not. Fuck that.
I would.
Nope.
Dude, it's on my bucket
I wouldn't be one of the first people to go to space, but
imagine you signed up to watch
once
Artemis
shit set
2.
up.
Right now, you signed up on the Goog. Let me watch Artemis 2, and then they send you an email back saying you have a ticket to go onto Artemis 2 on a spare seat.
Maybe in a bunch of years, once they got that stuff down to driving a car,
We went to the moon
it's
60
simple,
years ago, dog.
Yeah, but then we didn't go back. We've made no advancements.
That is false. We made so many
I'm
advancements.
sure we've made some advancements.
Dude, well, we haven't done it since then, so like it's clearly not. They don't have it down to like an easy fucking system.
Bro, in 7 days, you're gonna circle the moon. Are you going?
Literally, we have started being able to launch rockets and catch the boosters to reuse them. That's a huge advancement.
It doesn't make me feel safe. I'd need to see this happen like 10, 15 times before I wanted to do it.
So it's like an amusement ride?
10 or 15.
Yeah, it'd have to be like a proven system. These guys could all fucking die.
This is proven.
It's a
might
proven
die.
system
It's
after 10 or 1,5, not hundreds or thousands.
One of the most
Well, it's
deadliest
better
things
than where
we
we're at
do
now.
on a daily is drive a vehicle.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Like, I'm sure that these 4 astronauts are going to be like, there's a chance I'm going to die, but also there's probably a good chance I'm going to circle the moon and come back.
Yeah.
And hang out with my dog.
I wonder what's around on the dark side. Like, I wonder if weird shit happens back there.
Dude, bro.
Dude, we've seen the dark side.
There's Transformers there. Man.
Oh, yeah.
Have we seen the dark side of the moon?
Didn't one of the astronauts that was around the dark side of the moon have some weird shit happen?
It says, humanity has extensively photographed orbit and even landed on the dark side of the moon.
Landed on the dark side of the moon. You should look up if anything weird happens
First
over there.
images by the Soviets in 1959.
Damn.
It's because, so the moon is like locked
Yeah.
to our position.
To our yeah.
But like, it's not like it doesn't get sunlight because it still orbits us. Like, you have eclipses and shit too.
But it doesn't show the dark side.
Because there's light on
Yeah.
it.
Flash photo?
They're a little shy.
Yeah.
18% of the far side is occasionally visible from Earth due to oscillation and libration. What the fuck's libration?
What is
Oh.
vibration?
Libration is a cyclic variation in the apparent position of the moon that is perceived by the observers on Earth.
That doesn't really help me with the definition.
It I think basically it's
I'm
saying it's wiggling. Yeah, see, look.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
it moves
okay,
around.
okay, yeah. It like fucking does a little wobble.
Yeah. I guess, eventually they'll go to Mars if this is successful. But
Oh, yeah, I was like-
Mars would be really cool.
I would not want to be one of the first people to go to Mars. I wouldn't want to be part of the first 100 people to go to Mars.
Dude, there's a
No, man, but once they got a city set up, like I'll take a trip to Mars.
Fuck no, bro.
Like
They're
once
never
they're
coming back.
growing shit.
They're not going to grow shit anytime soon. By the time we're going to Mars, it'll be like, oh, I'm 84 years old. Maybe I'll survive the
Did you see
heart
that
attack I'm
they
going to have.
They selected one of the first candidates to be the first person on the moon.
They
The
selected
first person
what?
on the moon?
First person.
No,
we've
Mars,
already-
Mars. I meant
already
no,
been on
no,
the moon.
Mars. God damn it, Mars. Alyssa Carson. She's one of the first people selected to go to Mars.
Wow.
She looks 12.
24 years old.
A
Yeah, she's young.
social media influencer.
Why was she
Live your life,
selected?
girl.
I mean,
What? They said the
for
duration
her.
will take roughly 3 years. It'll be like 6 to 9 months to get there, a long stay, and then 6 to 9 months to return.
I
And
don't-
that's if everything goes according to plan.
Okay, I don't think she was
Okay,
selected
okay,
to
her-
be the first person on Mars.
her Wikipedia
selected
page
from a
is
pool
doing
of
her
candidates.
dirty. Her Wikipedia page is doing her dirty because it definitely starts off with her being a social media influencer and then says, "Oh, by the way, she has her degree in astrobiology."
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
She has attended numerous space camps. Dude, good on
Like
her.
summer camp?
I'm so okay with her being the first person on Mars.
Yep.
Someone's got to do it, and it's not going
I
to
don't know.
me.
You gotta have a pretty bad home life for that to be your goals.
I'm pretty sure she looks like she has an okay home life. So there's something else going on there. I think she just loves space, man.
yeah,
Yeah, man.
maybe.
Dude, who doesn't love space?
For the
bro?
love of the game.
All for the love of the game.
She's not coming back though.
What?
No, she's unfortunately she will
Bro,
be staying
no
on Mars.
shot she's coming back. How long does it take?
To get to Mars?
Yeah,
I
what,
think it's like
4
3
years?
years.
Like, no, it's
I
like
think it's
6 to
6
9
months.
months. Yeah, 6 to 9 months to get there.
Oh,
Oh shit,
dude,
bro.
That's-
That's actually not bad.
Dude,
She
at
that's
all.
could
like a-
come back.
Maybe she
that's
can't
like
come
a
back.
That's like a warm core Eddie right there.
Yeah, but that's like I feel like it would take longer though if you built a spaceship designed to come back. You know what I mean? Because if it was a one-way trip, you could just like rubber band slingshot something over to Mars in 6 to 9 months.
Oh yeah, let's just build a giant slingshot.
The only reason you wouldn't be able to come back would be lack of the ability to refuel. So like as long as we can find a way to refuel on Mars, then
Yeah, they can make that shit solar
there's
powered.
no problem.
We just need
Did y'all know that there was a
space elevator.
Artemis 3 and an Artemis 4 scheduled?
What?
Yeah.
Give it a
Artemis
Goog.
3 is this is on NASA's website, by the way. All of this information is on NASA's website. Artemis 3 is launching by 2028. This is the surface landing.
And they're actually gonna land someone on the moon?
Yes.
For the first time.
I saw.
And then Artemis 4 is building the first lunar space station.
Yo.
That's
actually
cool.
sick.
That's some badass shit.
Who's working on that? Is it all just SpaceX?
NASA, SpaceX.
What is Artemis 5, bro? Artemis 5
Dude.
is the 5th planned mission of the Artemis program, the first crewed flight of the Blue Moon lander.
Well, they don't have that one listed on NASA's website, so I wouldn't trust it.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, so they're planning by Artemis 5 to already have a space station up there on the moon.
I guess, yeah.
The farthest you could find on the Wikipedia is Artemis 8. But yeah, since it's not on NASA. I feel like I would go to the moon.
Scroll down. What was that habitable transport vehicle? That thing.
Ooh.
What the fuck is that thing?
It's a pressurized rover. It's a large pressurized
That's
module
fucking
used
neat.
to enable
Dude, that's
crew
like the shit from
operations.
fucking The Martian.
I would go to the moon over Mars.
Yeah, moon would be
Yeah.
a lot cooler.
Well, I think Mars would be cooler, but I feel like there's a chance for you to come back from the moon.
Come back from the moon, yeah. I could at least see Earth.
Yeah, it'd be kind of cool to get like a good view of Earth, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, people have come back from the moon.
Yeah.
Supposedly.
It takes 3 days to travel to the moon. That's longer than I thought it would be.
Okay, so you
mean-
want a list of the countries that are working on the Artemis program currently?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This is from the NASA website. You got Angola, Argentina, Armenia, Australia, Austria, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Belgium, Brazil, Bulgaria, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, India, Israel, Italy, Japan, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malaysia, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, Nigeria, Norway, Oman, Panama, Peru, Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Republic of Korea, Romania, Rwanda, Saudi Arabia, Senegal, Singapore, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Thailand, Ukraine, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States of America, and Uruguay.
Say that 5 times.
Just everybody
Damn.
then.
It's
So
a lot of fucking
space
people.
is like the one thing that gets everyone to get along. But we need
Yeah,
to
no
get the fuck
shit.
out of
You
here.
mean
Yeah.
to tell me if you had a free ticket on Artemis 2, you wouldn't take it? Would all those countries let you die?
Dude,
Yeah.
Angola is not saving my ass. A lot of those countries I would not trust to throw me into space.
Don't take the Bigfoot to space.
They take Katy Perry to space.
God. She didn't even go to space.
She like crested
ridiculous.
the atmosphere.
I heard with like the flower or whatever, that I don't know why that event made me so upset, but I
Why
was
did
like,
she
these people
fucking eat
suck.
dirt? That was the guy. She pissed me off.
Yeah, that was weird.
What technological advancements do you think we're gonna unlock in the next few years by
Unlock.
completing these Artemis missions? You know, what will
I think
we
light
realize?
speed would be cool.
Okay.
We're gonna
There's
figure that
no
out.
shot.
Someone's gotta
There's
figure that
no
out.
shot.
Yeah, we went around the moon. Now we got fast.
We developed light speed.
That would be pretty cool. If
The
they could work
instructions to
something out
Lightspeed
there.
were on the dark side of it.
It's a blueprint. Yeah, that's not
Nah,
happening. in the next couple
realistically,
years.
it's probably going to be some like new advancements that are kind of boring. That like, oh, we found a new way to efficiently burn fuel.
We got new O-rings.
We'll probably find some cool exotic metals in some asteroids and shit while we're mining.
Mining in space would be pretty cool. I'd just like to watch that.
Like asteroids.
Dude, it's like fucking those gold digging shows in Alaska, but in space. Dude, that'll be sick. I would watch a show like that.
Space Road
No, I think
Truckers.
that's
I mean-
that guy's spot.
Like, there's got to be so many resources just spread throughout, like, just our solar system alone.
It would be cool if there was like space travel became like pretty available and easy. So there was like a gold rush, but like on like asteroids and shit.
Dude, like, what if we could, like, vacuum off some of the atmosphere of the gas giants and, like, use that as fuel?
Just suck the gas giants dry.
I mean, dude, Jupiter is fucking massive in
Yeah.
comparison to Earth. I mean, everything in space is basically bigger
Massive.
than Earth. Yeah. Well, I guess not everything, Not Mercury, but
Not Pluto. Not even a planet anymore, loser.
but dude, that'd be crazy. I want a space elevator. I think that'd be really cool.
That'd be sick, but realistically, how
Just
the
don't think
fuck
they
would that-
work with, like, physics just because of, like, like, the amount of stress that would be put on it at, like, the various points along its, like, length, like, this difference in speeds that it has to be traveling between, like, its base on the planet and, like, the top that's in, like, outer space.
Bro, they called Isaac Newton crazy for inventing gravity, so, like, crazier shit has
Didn't
happened.
invent gravity.
Before him, you just could not hold
Yeah,
things
bro.
down.
Galileo invented space, stars.
Dude, it was so easy to be smart back then.
No,
You'd have to
it
think
was
of, like,
not,
one
bro.
Easy to be
thing.
smart back.
Dude.
No.
They were just like, oh, these things don't float away. Something's doing that. And he's like a genius for the rest of history.
Something's doing
He
that.
did more shit than just be like, gravity.
That's really all I thought he did.
All right, let's see what Sir Isaac Newton did. Probably invented calculus also.
No. Calculus was. Hold on. I think I knew this.
Whoever invented that can eat shit.
Oh shit! Developed by Isaac Newton.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
No way.
Didn't Isaac Newton die a virgin? I'm pretty sure he was like the first like hardcore nerd.
I don't see anything about his sex life, but I'm sure he was a fucking Chad, bro.
It
It's
is
in there.
widely believed and historically accepted that Sir Isaac Newton died a virgin at the age of 84.
Yeah, too much math.
Bro, he
Fucking
was too
loser.
busy fucking inventing calculus to care.
Those hoes were distractions.
Yeah, bro. Yo, he was a knight. He was knighted by Queen Anne in
Oh, wow.
1705.
Hence the reason why we call him Sir Isaac Newton.
I thought that was his first name.
No,
I'm kidding.
Only call people Sir that are knighted.
He invented Sir.
I thought people would just be respectful.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Just being polite.
Mr. Isaac Newton. Apparently, he had a mercury poisoning.
I think that was pretty common back then.
I don't know.
Just like it's
Weren't they
common to
putting
have-
mercury in like a lot of shit?
What's a little mercury?
It was used as, like, one of the cures for syphilis, wasn't it?
It'll cure you of life too.
Don't they still use mercury in oh my word? Don't they still use mercury in
Oh my god.
thermometers?
Who's that?
No, they don't use mercury in thermometers anymore.
You
I
can
think they stopped doing that.
you can still find mercury thermometers, but they're not very common.
Who invented
But also,
the
like, the
thermometer?
only, like, mercury itself isn't necessarily that dangerous. It's really the organic mercury that you have to look out for.
What's the difference?
you
Like,
can
just
find
pure
photos.
elemental mercury isn't necessarily going to just, like, seep through your hands, but various types of organic mercury, where it's like a mercury atom combined with some other type of organic molecule that's, like, able to really get into your system and fuck shit up.
Huh. What's the temperature on Mars?
Dude, it's fucking
But
cold.
it's
dude.
cold.
It's cold as fuck.
I bet
Is
it's
it?
cold at night, and I also bet it's hot as fuck during the day when you're in the direct sunlight,
it
because
has
there's no
less.
atmosphere to stop anything.
Ooh,
It ranges
negative
around
81.
Negative 81 to a warm 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Not bad.
To a negative 243 at the poles.
No.
Oh my god.
You gotta bring a few hot hands with you.
Just a few.
Mars facts. Obviously, we know it's the fourth planet from the sun. It is a dusty, cold desert world with a very thin atmosphere. It has seasons, polar ice caps, extinct volcanoes, canyons, and weather.
So it has water on it because it has ice.
Oh yeah, dude. I mean, we've found like riverbeds and stuff.
It's a similar size to Earth too, right? It's like
Yeah. I think it's slightly smaller, just barely.
and a day on Mars is 24.6 hours.
I wonder if they could do like what they did. I think it was in The Martian, where they like essentially try to build an atmosphere there. I wonder if that's like real, possible.
You would, I mean, absolutely is theoretical. You know what I mean? Like you'd have to release an abundance of gas, probably from like beneath the crust, because I mean that's essentially what we're doing here. Because we're losing gases to space also.
Yeah, just naturally.
But then we also have other things that release gas.
It says it does have a thin atmosphere. What's that atmosphere made up of? Like, is it like nitrogen and oxygen, similar to ours?
Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and argon gases. To our eyes, the sky would be hazy and red because the suspended dust instead of the familiar blue tint we see on Earth. It doesn't offer much protection from large objects such as meteors, asteroids, and comets. Temperature can be high as 70 degrees or as low as negative 225. And because the atmosphere is thin, heat from the sun easily escapes. And if you are to stand on Mars on the equator at noon, it will feel like spring at your feet and winter at your head.
Winter at your head.
What the fuck? Everyone's just crawling around on their bellies.
That's where the lizard people come from.
Yeah, underneath the ground.
Those rovers are cool.
Yeah, they are.
Taking pictures and stuff.
Did you know that we are constantly losing helium?
Yeah, helium just kind of escapes. It is a non-renewable resource.
Yeah.
Is that like an issue? Like, do we need to start?
Yeah, we need it for like
Hold on.
MRIs
there-
and stuff.
Is there helium on the moon? Because I feel like I've heard that there's helium on the moon.
I think it would be too light.
The moon's gonna float away.
No,
Oh, actually, fun
gonna get
fact
really
about
light.
that. Wait, yeah,
Oh.
there are significant amounts of helium-3 present on the moon, deposited by solar winds over billions of years. Interesting. Oh,
Unlike Earth, the moon lacks a protective magnetic field, allowing this rare to accumulate. Oh,
That's why we're
okay,
going
so
there.
we're going to the moon for space oil.
yeah, helium.
But the moon is accelerating away from the Earth.
Isn't it like only a little bit per year though?
I mean, it's such a small amount that like it's
It is drifting away at rate of
1.5 inches a year. At what point will the moon
escape Earth's
Just-
orbit.
fly away in roughly 600 million years?
The sun's gonna blow up in 8 million years. Don't know.
It's like the stuff they teach you in 3rd grade.
8 million years? The sun's not gonna blow up in 8 million years. There's no way.
No way, bro.
No way, bro. No way.
When is the sun
Blowing up?
going to explode?
2.3 billion years, bro.
Oh.
That's an entire like dinosaur generation.
More than that.
Oh,
yeah, dude, that's like almost as long as the Earth has been around.
4.54
Oh.
billion. Look at us, fools.
look at us learning.
I know we're on a collision course with Andromeda.
Oh, there's
Yeah,
a Vsauce video about that.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty neat.
10 billion.
50-50 chance. 50-50 chance.
And they flipping a coin. It might happen.
Yeah, it might happen. We'll probably not be here to find out.
The book, The Three-Body Problem, is based
it's a
on
good
the
book.
closest star to us because it has
Close Starbucks to me.
Proxy Centauri, 4.25 light years away, and it has
4.25 light years is pretty close.
Dude, that's like a day drive.
yeah,
That's why we gotta figure out that speed stuff.
yeah, we're about to
That's-
find out
you mean
with
light
Artemis
travel?
2, bro. We'll just travel for 4 years. That's the crazy part about light speed. Is
Yo,
that
look up what's the fastest rocket that we have right now? Like what's the fastest we can travel through space?
Mach something.
That's the technical term. Mach something.
430,000
Oh, that's fast.
miles an hour.
1,000 miles per hour.
Oh, its top speed is 690.
I don't think-
Oh no, yeah, 430.
I don't think it was launched at that. I think that's just what it has.
It gets up to,
gotten-
yeah.
Yeah, from like other gravitational pulls.
Okay, so 430,000 miles per hour. Speed of light. Let's see. Speed of light. in miles per
Speed
hour.
of light is 6.7. Yeah, that. Wow.
E plus 8.
So there would be 8.
8 zeros after that.
zeros.
Yeah, 8 zeros. 6, 7. God, I hate that.
6.
God damn it.
I didn't know you were hip like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by invalid. No.
Too many numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's good. And then divided by 470,000. The speed of light is that many times faster. Well,
Yep.
it is still incredibly fast.
Yeah.
It's like 1.4.
Gee, I could have fucking figured that out.
1.426 times faster.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we ain't shit, bro. It's like Mach a billion.
Mock something.
Mock something. There you go.
And plus, we wouldn't even be able to achieve that because anything that has mass couldn't be able to go the speed of light, right?
Is that how that works?
Theoretically.
Is that a thing?
I thought light has mass. I thought that was like
Light does not have.
Only when it chooses to.
only, yeah, due to fucking,
What?
what is that, probability? No, not, what is it?
Has mass when it's a particle, but not when it's a wave.
Yeah.
Isn't that how it works?
Light does not have rest mass. It is composed of particles called photons that are inherently massless. Because they have no rest mass, light travels at the maximum speed allowed. However, light possesses momentum and energy and can exert pressure.
Which can only happen if you have mass.
If light had even a tiny amount of mass, it could not travel at the speed of light. Yeah, so I'm sure in some theoretical, super technologically advanced civilization, we'd only be able to like travel like a percentage of the speed of light anyway.
Bro, even then, that's like still insanely fast.
But it's still insanely slow on the scale of the fucking
Of the universe, yeah, sure.
You know what I mean? Which is crazy.
Yeah.
That's why we're trying to work on wormholes, right? Like, rather than just trying to drive from point A to point B, we just
Take a shortcut.
take a shortcut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How far is the closest wormhole?
Okay, yeah. Well, how far is the closest black hole?
Well, black hole, wormhole, not same.
The closest black hole is Gaia BH1. 15.6, or sorry, 1,560 light years away.
Light years away.
Light years away.
Miles, oh my god. That'd be insane.
Aren't wormholes still theoretical?
Yeah, I don't think we've like found one yet.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty sick though if like instead of going all that ways, it's kind of like, hopping on the highway.
Yeah.
You just drive over the wormhole.
Bro, ton
Go
618
through.
is terrifying. Do you guys know about that?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Isn't it the largest fucking black hole?
It's the largest black hole that we know of.
Oh, yeah.
It's a hyperluminous, broad absorption line, radio, loud. Okay, it's just a really large black hole.
Yeah.
Black holes scare the shit out of me.
Black holes are fucking terrifying. But it's one of those things that, like, you're never gonna fucking encounter. Like,
Don't say that. You're gonna be on the streets of like, Miami Beach, and black holes walking down the same side as the road as you.
as a kid, I was like terrified, like, oh, I might encounter quicksand. I gotta know what the fuck to do. Or I might encounter black holes. I gotta know what to do, how to escape it. This is not gonna fucking happen.
I mean, it's literally the black hole at the center of our galaxy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think there's
like,
there's supposed to be there's a black hole at the center of every galaxy because that's what's giving it structure, is the gravitational waves.
Because otherwise, all the fucking planets and stars would just be going all fucking cattywampus.
Cattywampus. Black holes evaporate.
Yeah, they like deteriorate, do they not?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hawking
They
radiation.
eventually just become like nothingness.
They
right?
fizzle out. I don't know.
I'm learning a lot today.
Look at you.
Yeah, Hawking radiation. They evaporate,
Yeah.
which I don't understand how that works.
Me neither. Because like if they're so strong that they are taking everything in, nothing can escape it, not even light, but radiation can. It's weird.
Yeah.
Dude, have y'all seen how Neil deGrasse Tyson wants to die?
Is it something stupid like being thrown into a black hole?
Yep.
Let's look it up.
He says like if it's like a terminal illness where he knows he can't recover from, they want to put him on a space station or a rocket, launch him towards a black hole, and he will like send messages until like he's sucked in, something like that. So he could be spaghettified.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Stretched until forever.
I'll put it on for the slab.
Neil, how do you want to die?
Oh, this is public knowledge.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. So how do I choose to die? If I were near my deathbed, temporarily near my deathbed, I would say, don't lay me down to die. Launch me into that black hole so I can be spaghettified.
Oh, wow.
And I will report back until I no longer can. And I'll be the first human
To be spaghettified.
spaghettified.
Nice.
Nice. Dude, it's just fucking. What?
Well, what else about space is interesting?
Where do you think we're gonna find life?
I don't think we ever will. I think it's too far away.
I think life will find us.
I think
Like, I don't know, man. I think there's a pretty solid chance of us like finding it on somewhere like Europa.
Well, I think it's dependent on like what type of life. If you're talking like a whole bacteria that's out there chilling,
That's life.
I could totally see that.
That is life.
If we're talking like intelligent life, I don't think that's
We'll
happening.
find it on the backside of the moon.
Europa is the.
Yeah, they're just chilling.
We've already been to the backside of the moon.
We'll find it there.
Not this time.
This time they will.
This time's new.
Europa is a fucking frozen ocean. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Potentially a watery ocean beneath the icy surface.
Yeah. There might be some fish down there.
Especially if there's like geothermal vents providing like
Yeah.
heat. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There's plenty of bacteria and crazy shit down there.
That's where they're gonna hold the next Winter Olympics.
Dude, let
Maybe
me get a
got
gulp.
megalodons.
Let me get a gulp of that.
It's probably crisp water.
It's probably stupid crisp.
Oh,
Man, untouched fucking water. Oh yeah.
Europa water.
Dude,
Never been passed through by a dinosaur.
new business plan. Let's go fucking
Go to Europa.
bottles of Europa water.
I would buy Europa water.
Dude,
Fuck Zephyr
who wouldn't?
Hills.
dude, everyone would be
Dasani.
getting like crazy illnesses.
Dude, we could fucking
Unfiltered, catching just strange bacteria.
just... What is this?
Concept art of a cryobot.
A plume? Is this like what they think is underneath Europa?
Right. Just like these volcanic plumes putting organic molecules into the water to turn into life.
Do they? There's no proof of any volcanic activity underneath the surface of Europa, though, right?
I think there is, because they see like geysers of water and stuff like cracking the surface ice.
Oh.
And I mean, think about all the crazy shit that's in our oceans.
True, but
Have we explored more of this of space than we have our own oceans?
no,
That
could
no
just be a
shot.
brainwash.
There's
I
no
was gonna say,
shot.
there could be like a brain
That's
rot.
just
No
a-
shot.
I know that
That's a
that's
complete
something
lie.
that's said pretty often, but we're pretty familiar with the bottom of our oceans. Holy, you know what
Yeah.
I mean?
I mean, like, there's still a
Like-
lot of shit that we're still discovering about our oceans, but yeah.
Yeah, that whole like we know more about space thing I think is totally wrong. Like even if we haven't been to every part of the bottom of the ocean, you can guess what's down there.
Yeah.
See, that's what I'm saying. Like, I
Like,
would hear that.
there's
and
some
I'm like,
weird
oh,
fish.
It's all
There's some
accessible
fish,
to James
there's
Cameron.
some sand. Yeah.
Yeah, James Cameron, if it's down there, he'll find it.
What's your favorite planet, guys, in our solar
Dude,
system?
my favorite planet is probably Neptune.
Neptune is really cool. It's got rings.
Dude, it do. And I like the blue color. It's cool blue.
Uranus also has
Oh,
rings.
you know what? That is cool.
Uranus,
I
that's
think-
rings.
Yeah, I think they all. I think all four planets past the belt have rings. I'm pretty sure.
I think Saturn's look the coolest. I think Saturn's the coolest looking.
Yeah, Saturn just has aura, dude.
They got a lot of aura.
Dude. And he knows it too. He
Yeah,
fucking
they put a
knows
ring
it.
on it.
Yeah, Saturn's pretty sick, but
Mhm.
Jupiter's, I think, my favorite.
I
Jupiter's
think all
your
the
favorite?
planets closer to the sun than us kind of suck.
Well, I don't think Jupiter has any rings, right?
No, but it's got.
No, it's just got that big ass spot.
the big fucking storm spot.
Yeah,
that's crazy.
Which it's a hurricane that is bigger than Earth.
Yeah, it's fucking.
Can you look
massive,
that up?
dude.
I want to see that.
Isn't it like 13 Earths?
Jesus. Yeah, American math, 13 Earths.
Yeah. That's Earth math. How many Earths can you fit in that?
47,000
It has
hamburgers.
wind speeds of 268 miles an hour.
Oh, dude, that's nothing.
And it's been existing for 361 years.
Since 1665.
Wait, is it pulled up?
Dude,
Is my stream frozen?
Jupiter in 1664,
Yeah,
they're
it's
fucking
pulled
just
up.
living the life.
Oh,
Yeah, you see it?
that's pretty cool.
That's a picture from Juno.
That is a photo.
Here, let's all watch a YouTube video on Jupiter, and then I'll cut it out, but we'll watch it together.
Let us learn about Jupe.
And then we'll go through all the planets.
One by one?
Yeah. Oh, if we're gonna go one by one, let's go Mercury.
Yeah, Mercury.
Because I know National Geographic has videos about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, here it is.
Yeah.
The planet Mercury is named after the messenger of the Roman gods, because even the ancients could see how swift and fleeting it is in the sky. But it wasn't until recently that scientists began unraveling Mercury's many mysteries. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system.
They're getting cooked.
Such proximity affects Mercury's atmosphere, or rather,
Bro, I'm
the
getting
lack
parched
of one.
looking at Mercury.
It only has a very
You
thin
could go there to like get a
exosphere,
good tan.
which is traditionally the outermost layer of a planet's atmosphere. Clocking in at an average speed of over 100,000 miles per hour, Mercury slings around the sun in just 88 days.
So I guess we
Mercury.
could actually land some shit on Mercury. Because I know,
Theoretically.
like next up for Venus, like their atmosphere is like sulfuric acid. You
Yeah.
just like we're not landing shit there. I mean, the Soviets tried.
Yeah,
But
Venus
it's
And got
is
some
just
cool
disintegrated.
pictures.
Even though Mercury's closer to the sun, Venus is hotter because of all the greenhouse gases.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be pretty cool to like harpoon Mercury and pull it closer to Earth.
Why?
Just to take it.
Yeah,
Just
take all the resources,
Colonize.
give it an atmosphere.
Take that helium.
I guess if we theoretically could do that, why would we do it to Mercury? Probably because it's the smallest.
Yeah.
Named after the ancient Roman goddess of beauty, Venus is known for its exceptional brightness in the night sky. But behind this facade is a world of storms and infernos unlike anywhere else in the solar system. Venus, the second planet from the sun, is very similar to Earth from a distance, but up close, it's a very different world. Venus is about the same size as Earth, just slightly smaller. It's full of clouds that rain sulfuric acid and whip around the planet at speeds up to 224 miles per hour. Life
What
may
if we were on
still
Venus
exist
first and then we
on
burnt too
Venus's
much coal and
atmosphere.
shit? Kind of
About
fucked them
30
up and then
miles
left.
up in Venus's clouds, scientists have observed strange dark streaks that appear to be absorbing ultraviolet radiation, a phenomenon that could be evidence of microbial life. While more than 40 unmanned spacecraft have visited this infernal world, Venus, so illuminated in the darkness of space, still has much to reveal.
Aliens from Venus be Venetians or Venusians?
I like Venetians.
Venetian sound better.
All right, Earth.
Dude,
Earth next.
It's crazy
Earth next.
to think that there is a possibility that you do have like microbial organisms in the atmosphere.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Yeah, I mean, they don't give
Yeah.
a shit about that pressure.
I wouldn't want to breathe that
I
in.
feel like watching that video made me feel uncomfy to be like, oh wow, our weather
Uncomfy.
outside is kind of like, you know, a little bit cold, or it's a little bit
It was a bit
warm.
chilly.
Yeah. We go to Venus and you just roast.
Melting alive.
Yeah, 880 degrees Fahrenheit. You go to Mercury and it's just
Getting acid sprayed on you.
super cancer. Yeah, bro. Like,
Earth, the only planet known to maintain life, a product of scientific phenomena and sheer chance. This blue speck in space holds the past, present, and future of our very existence. But Earth is the only known place in the universe with liquid water on the surface, thereby having unique cascading effects on the planet.
See how much had to happen for me to pay taxes.
Bro,
Fucked up.
if that's the case, man, Europa might have some crazy shit underneath.
Might have it.
That's what I'm saying, man. Like, if it's gonna be anywhere in this solar system, my money's on Europa.
Maybe we could call up NASA and tell them to cancel.
Calling it Europa makes me think you're gonna like show up and it's just a bunch of like Eastern Europeans.
Change up Artemis 4 and 5 and make them go to Europa.
Send them to Europa. Dude, you know, that's fucking far, dude. Europa is far.
How far?
Oh, Mr. Guy in the chair.
That's what I'm doing, don't worry. Every time we ask questions, I'm immediately like, I gotta look it up. Because then when I listen to it, I'm like, I wonder what the question is. And the answer. 390 to 600 million miles, bro.
Dude, that's a day trip.
Dude, easily.
It is if you're going fucking...
I'd say 2 days.
If you're going...
this length.
It's a 5.5 year journey.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Oh, we already launched
Oh, we're going there.
back in 2024.
2024.
We're on our way.
Europa Clipper. It's going to arrive in 2030. So
Cool. What's that gonna do?
Yeah. Mission facts.
Yeah, let's look at this.
What are they doing?
Europa is about 90% the size of Earth. It's the smallest of the 4 largest moons orbiting Jupiter. Europa has liquid water. It has an icy shell. Big picture. Okay. Spacecrafts will conduct a detailed survey of Jupiter's moon Europa to determine whether there are places below the surface that could support life. The spacecraft in orbit around Jupiter will make about 40 to 50 close passes over Europa, scanning different locations each time until it scans the entire moon. It will perform dozens of close flybys, gathering detailed measurements to investigate whether the moon could have
So
conditions
it's not
suitable for
actually
life.
landing.
No, it's just gonna take selfies.
Yeah, it's just.
But it's gonna take a lot of measurements and such. It's gonna gather measurements of the internal ocean, hunting for plumes of water vapor. Europa Clipper is not a life detection mission. Its main goal is to blow up and act like it don't know nobody.
Don't know nobody.
No, its main goal is to determine whether there are places below Europa's surface that can support life. Dude, put that on my calendar.
Dude.
We only got 4 more years. That's exciting.
So, like, what happens if it's flying around and
it crashes straight into Europe?
Well, like, what if the mer people start sending it signals?
But also, it still has to go through the fucking asteroid belt. It has to survive making it through the asteroid belt.
I feel like we've done that enough times now. It's no problem.
Yeah.
You can just go up and over it.
Up and over?
Up and over.
I don't know if you... What?
It's a donut shape.
It's a flat disc, and you can go up.
How are you going to change your momentum like that?
Up and around?
Numerous times.
Dude, that's crazy. All right, you guys ready for Mars?
I am ready. I was born ready.
Strongly disagree.
To the ancient Romans, the planet Mars was symbolic of blood and war. But to many people today, the red planet may hold the key for a bright new future for humanity. The story of Mars began about 4.5 billion years ago when gas and dust swirled together to form the 4th planet from the Sun. These iron minerals react with the trace amounts of oxygen in Mars's atmosphere and rusts, giving the planet its signature reddish hue. The planet's rusty color could be considered symbolic of the planet's prime days long past. Today, Mars is dry, desolate, and cold, with temperatures dropping as low as negative 225 degrees Fahrenheit. But billions of years ago, the planet was much warmer, more geologically active, and had a watery surface. Lake beds and river valleys snake along the face of Mars, indicating that liquid water was, for a time, present. Volcanoes, such as Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system at 3 times the height of Mount Everest, once erupted lava. But by about 50 million years ago, soon after Earth's dinosaurs died out, Mars's volcanoes also went extinct.
Have you actually seen like how big the Mars rover is? It's actually pretty fucking massive than what
Yeah, they're pretty big.
thought it was.
Also, I would like to start a new conspiracy theory that the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs was shot out of from Mars.
From Mars, I was just thinking that. Yeah.
Dude, 3 times the size of Mount Everest.
Everest. That's insane. Dude, it's fucking massive, dude.
It's pretty big.
Oh shit.
All right, now I'm hyped. Now
Gotta carry a lot of stuff.
I'm kind of hyped to go to Mars now.
Dude, I'm fucking. I'm ready.
I know I wasn't on the bandwagon earlier. Maybe not me personally, but now I want more space missions.
Yeah.
Send more space missions.
There was water and like some type of life. That means there's a chance that there is oil on Mars.
Oh, you say?
Yeah, send the Navy to Mars.
Oh yeah.
Put an aircraft.
That's what I thought
carrier
the Space
on a
Force was
rocket.
going to be doing.
Just going to collect oil from planets.
Yeah.
No, they handle all the satellite shit.
No, the Space Force is fucking. They're there to defend us from the Covenant.
Dude, there's no surviving the Covenant in real life, bro.
We just get glassed
the
in like a
flood.
week.
Yeah, we're all fucking cooked.
Ooh, they have solar eclipse.
That's why I fully support the Spartan project.
Jupiter.
Our solar system is one of over 500 known solar systems in the entire Milky Way galaxy. The solar system came into being about 4.5 billion years ago when a cloud of interstellar gas and dust collapsed, resulting in a solar nebula, a swirling disk of material that collided to form the solar system. The smallest and closest to the Sun is Mercury, which has the shortest orbit in the solar system at about 3 Earth months.
I already knew this already.
Venus is the hottest planet, with temperatures of up to 867 degrees Fahrenheit due to an atmosphere of carbon dioxide and extensive lava flows. Next to this world of fire is a world of water, Earth. The water systems on this planet help create the only known environment in the universe capable of sustaining life. The last of the terrestrial planets, Mars, might have also supported life about 3.7 billion years ago, when the planet had a watery surface and moist atmosphere. Beyond the 4 terrestrial planets of the inner solar system lie the Jovian planets of the outer solar system. The Jovian planets include gas giants Jupiter and Saturn and ice giants Uranus and Neptune. The gas giants are predominantly made of helium and hydrogen, and the ice giants also contain rock, ice, and a liquid mixture of water, methane, and ammonia. All 4 Jovian planets have multiple moons, sport ring systems, have no solid surface, and are immense. The largest Jovian is also the largest planet in the solar system, Jupiter. Nearby is Saturn, the solar system's second largest planet. Its signature rings are wide enough to fit between Earth and the Moon, but are barely a kilometer thick.
Oh, wow.
Past Saturn are the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. The slightly bigger of these ice giants, Uranus, is famous for rotating on its side. Next to Uranus is Neptune, the outermost planet in the solar system and also one of the coldest. Orbiting the terrestrial planets is the asteroid belt, a flat disk of rocky objects full of remnants from the solar system's formation, from microscopic dust particles to the largest known object, the dwarf planet Ceres. Another disk of space debris lies much further out and orbits the Jovian planets, the icy Kuiper belt. Apart from asteroids, the Kuiper belt is also home to dwarf planets such as Pluto and is the birthplace of many comets. Beyond the Kuiper belt is the Oort cloud, a vast spherical collection of icy debris. It is considered the edge of the solar system since that is where the gravitational and physical influences of the sun end.
Never heard of the
Our solar system's
Really?
particular configuration of planets and other celestial objects, all revolving around a life-giving star, make it a special place to call home.
Yeah, the Oort cloud is like our casing, bro.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
There's this really good
All
app
right.
by Kurtzigalt that has if you zoom in, it goes to like the smallest measurable thing, which is the Planck length.
Mm-hmm.
And
A
you
Planck.
zoom out and you could see Oort cloud, and then it keeps going to like different nebulas and
That
Crazy.
seems like
Dude,
an app that I would
it's
have
pretty
fun with
wild.
for like 5 minutes.
yeah, it's only like a $3 app, and you're like, wow, $3 of fun.
$3 for 5 minutes. Wow.
Yeah,
All right, next Jupiter.
yeah. I feel like that gives me
Keep going.
like existential panic to be like, whoa,
Yeah.
all this crazy shit, you know, like, and we're just here hanging out.
Dude, trying to
is
wrap your
kinda
head
scary to
around
think
how
about.
big everything is
Dude, what the
just
fuck are
insane.
exoplanets? Is that like Pluto? and
Dude,
shit?
exoplanets are planets like
Rocky
that
planets.
just don't belong to any.
Exoplanets are worlds that exist outside of our solar system. Also known as extrasolar planets, these bodies often orbit their own stars, with some being a part of entire planetary systems. Exoplanets are made of the same elements as the worlds in our solar system, and
Why do you
based
give
on their
them such
composition
weird
and
fucking
structures
names?
are just as diverse. Some, known as giant or Neptune-like planets, are large gaseous worlds. Other gas giants, called hot Jupiters, closely orbit their stars, causing the planets to have high surface temperatures. Another category of exoplanets consists of super-Earths. Smaller than the gas giants, but larger than Earth, super-Earths are terrestrial and made primarily of rocky or icy material. The final category includes Earth analogs. Much as their name implies, Earth analogs are similar to Earth in various ways, including size, composition, and distance to their home star. Scientists have suspected the existence of worlds outside of our solar system for thousands of years. But the first confirmed existence of an exoplanet orbiting a sun-like star only occurred in 1995. Ever since, about 4,000 exoplanets have been confirmed by multiple discovery methods, with about 3,000 more awaiting verification. According to one theory, at least one exoplanet orbits each star in the Milky Way. This would place the exoplanet count in our local galaxy to about 1 trillion.
Who the fuck's filing that?
The search for exoplanets continues, not just to create a catalog of known worlds, but also to see if life may exist elsewhere in the universe.
Dude, that's so cool that we've only discovered the first exoplanet in 95.
95? That's insane,
We're in prime time to be alive.
I think.
Are we?
Maybe not. I don't know.
Yeah, well, I mean, the first Artemis program only happened in like, what, 2014? Something like that?
Dude, it's exciting. Let's look at Jupiter. We've been pushing off Jupiter long enough.
Yeah.
Born from primordial stardust,
Primordial, it's
4.5
Bigfoot.
billion years ago, Jupiter was the solar system's first planet. And much like its
Oh, really?
namesake, the king of the ancient Roman gods, Jupiter was destined for greatness. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. At approximately 11 Earths wide, Jupiter has twice the amount of mass as the other planets put together.
Close. I said 13.
But unlike Earth and the 3 other terrestrial worlds, Jupiter has no solid surface. It may not even have a traditionally solid core. Rather, this giant planet may have a dense liquid center surrounded by a worldwide ocean of hydrogen and helium gases.
Metallic hydrogen? I've heard of, obviously,
Isn't that what it
gas and-
said part of its core was?
It said liquid.
It probably becomes metallic after it being pressure.
Is that like
Metallic hydrogen.
solidify? Huh.
It's a phase of hydrogen that behaves like an electrical conductor.
So it's literally like solid
just-
hydrogen.
I mean,
Doesn't everything have 3 phases? Everything could be gas, liquid, or solid.
I mean, I guess
Says the conditions
I just
to
never
create
thought about
metallic
solid hydrogen.
are so extreme that metallic hydrogen is abundant in our solar system. It's only been created on a few places of Earth. That makes sense. If you have a planet the size of Jupiter creating it, you would need like extreme pressure.
Yeah.
To do that here.
So it behaves like an electrical conductor. Does that mean there's a chance that Jupiter is the world's biggest, like...
Battery?
Right? Like something. Or like supercomputer?
It says it might...
How crazy
that it's a superconductor.
How crazy would it be if, like, we're out there looking for life and we land on a planet and we think we found life, but it turns out that the planet is alive?
That's some cosmic horror shit right there.
Dude.
Wasn't it last year that I think it was the Chinese, that they thought they discovered a new superconductor, and then it was like recreated and it was not. But that's super cool. That's something I hope we see in our lifetimes.
A new superconductor?
Yeah. So basically being able to like use it to power everything without it losing heat, or like being able to operate without it needing to be cooled. There's like zero transfer of like radiation energy.
Yeah, thermal radiation.
Yeah. Because right now all our infrastructure for stuff like that, like superconductors can exist, but like have to be like
they overheat,
cooled. Yeah. Whereas superconductors that we're like looking for can operate at that level at room temperature. Super cool. Let's go back to Jupiter.
Superconductor cool.
Superconductive.
Probably the most iconic feature of Jupiter is a crimson-brown storm that's been raging for over 300 years, the Great Red Spot. It's a giant swirling collection of clouds with wind speeds of up to 400 miles per hour, at least 2.5 times faster than Category 5 hurricanes. Floating hundreds of miles above the storms of Jupiter are about 79 moons, the most of the 8 known planets. The 4 largest moons were discovered by Galileo in 1610. Called the Galilean satellites, they include Io, the most volcanically active celestial body in the solar system, Ganymede, the solar system's largest moon, even larger than the planet Mercury, and Callisto and Europa, which, along with Ganymede, may contain oceans of liquid water underneath their crusts. Jupiter's large collection of moons is only made possible by the planet's massive size and gravitational pull, the strongest of all the planets in the solar system. This incredible gravity also influenced the sizes of the 7 other planets. During the solar system's earliest days, Jupiter, being the first planet to form, attracted and destroyed space debris that would have helped the other planets grow in size. Today, that force may serve as a shield by attracting comets and asteroids onto Jupiter's own surface, preventing them from crashing onto inner planets like Earth. Apart from the Sun, Jupiter has become the dominant figure in the solar system, thereby earning its place at the top of the planetary heap as king.
Dude, Jupiter's a real one.
Jupiter's so cool. I think one of the things I heard about it, which I could fact check that right now, but it's like a failed star.
That sounds familiar.
Okay, never mind. It is not a failed star. It lacked the necessary mass to ignite nuclear fusion. It is roughly 75 to 80 times less massive. That's required to become a star.
Dude.
There's
So to other stars, it's pretty wimpy.
Yeah, dude, that's so crazy of how large it is. I mean, I know it's not the sun either, but like that you still need to be 75 times greater to be a star. Wow.
Saturn's up.
Joe, you there? You alive?
Oh, I'm there.
All right.
Dude, he's locked the fuck in.
Dude,
just like me, bro.
Yeah, this is exciting.
Dude,
we're on a field trip.
Dude.
We're with our friends, learning about space. Bro, that was a cool other fact too. Ganymede, I didn't know about that. It's larger than Mercury.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I think I'm gonna crack a beer for this.
Because if we like kicked out Ganymede from like Jupiter's orbit, it would be considered a planet then. If it's larger than Mercury.
That's true.
It's really cool.
Saturn is the second largest of the 8 planets, and it is about 10 times as wide as Earth.
Wow. I didn't know it was that big either.
Wow.
Despite its size, Saturn is actually the lightest planet. It is predominantly made of the gases hydrogen and helium, and because of its particular gaseous composition, Saturn is the only planet in the solar system that's less dense than water. If the planet were placed on
It's
an
like a
enormous
balloon.
ocean, it would be able to float. Saturn's gaseous makeup also means that it has no true surface. At its center, the planet has a dense core of water, ice, and rocky material, but it has no actual landmass. The largest storm on Saturn is at its North Pole. It's over twice the size of Earth and shaped in a near-perfect hexagon. Each of the 6 sides is believed to be the result of jet streams, which all encircle a massive hurricane. Because of Saturn's inhospitable environment, the planet cannot support life, but some of its moons might. Saturn has more than 50 confirmed moons, and each varies in size and terrain.
I think that's what defines a moon.
Saturn's
How
moons
big
may
is our
also
moon?
play a
I
role
feel
in
like our
shaping the
moon's gotta be
planet's
way bigger than
signature
that.
feature.
No, it ain't that big.
Like as wide as Canada?
I think our moon's about the size of America. Like if you know, were to overlay it.
That's less.
2,159.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit.
All right.
It's a quarter of
Wow.
Earth. It's smaller than the continent of Asia.
That's crazy.
Its rings. Saturn's ring system is the largest and most complex in the entire solar system. The rings are made of icy and rocky remnants from comets, asteroids, and moons. The particles range in size from being as small as dust to as big as mountains. The ring system is divided into 7 groups of rings. Altogether, they are as wide as 4.5
I don't like
Earths,
how they
but only
have those-
about
Why are
2/3
they
of a
out of
mile
order?
thick.
like that?
Wait, what? What?
Why are they out of order?
System is divided into 7 groups of
A.
rings.
F-
Altogether,
FG.
they are as wide as
It
4.5
Who the
Earths,
fuck decided
but only
this?
about
Fucking
Someone with
scientists. dude.
dyslexia.
Galileo
Someone-
and his fucking.
Some dude with autism and a PhD.
Someone wanted to make whatever test you take on this really fucking hard. Out of order everything.
I'm gonna be
Is
honest.
Saturn the one where it rains diamonds?
I don't think so
Ooh.
because it's
Which planet rains diamonds?
I think that might be Neptune or Uranus.
Dude, my anus doesn't rain diamonds.
Neptune and Uranus.
Called that shit.
Dude, watching this stuff makes me want to like buy a telescope now.
Dude,
Dude, there's so much pressure in Uranus, it's turning it into diamonds.
Knowing me, I'd
dude, do
like
you know how
get
expensive
a telescope,
fucking telescope is?
and immediately accidentally look at the sun. Like if
Dude.
Galileo was using like a 400-year-old telescope,
like
bro.
a good telescope. Look at that.
Oh, there
That's
you go,
fucking
bro.
$12,000.
Free delivery.
It's not delivery, it's DiGiorno.
Bro, it's $10,000 used.
Dude, that's insane.
That's a computerized telescope, though. That's something that, like, you set it on a program and it automatically tracks something across the sky.
Maybe they have military discount. National Geographic has a $100 telescope.
Oh boy.
It's super cool though. All right, what's Saturn?
Uranus. Uranus
yeah,
is next.
where it rains diamonds.
Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. From a distance of about 20 astronomical units, or 20 times the distance between Earth and the Sun, Uranus orbits the star once every 84 Earth years, approximately the length of a human's entire life. This orbit causes
gets
each
lonely out
season
there.
of Uranus to last that much longer. Theoretically, a human living on Uranus would experience the 4 seasons only once, but each for about 21 years.
A 21-year
Partially due to its distance from the Sun, Uranus boasts the coldest temperatures in the solar system. In addition to its extreme temperatures and orbit, Uranus has a dramatic orientation. While the other 7 planets spin on their axes like tops, Uranus appears to roll along its equator. The planet is tilted at a near right angle, in which polar regions point toward and away from the sun rather than upward and downward. This tilt, thought to be the result of Uranus's collision with at least one celestial body, has also affected the orientation of Uranus's 13 rings and 27 known moons. Unlike the rings and moons of other worlds, which orbit their home planets horizontally, those of Uranus orbit in a vertical orientation along the planet's tilted equator, much like a Ferris wheel. But in the late 18th century, astronomer William Herschel discovered that the celestial object was actually a new world.
Dude,
The scientific community debated over what the planet should be called, and eventually chose a
He's like, my asshole.
name suggested by astronomer Johann Elert Bode. Bode believed that since Jupiter was the father of the gods, and Saturn was the father of Jupiter, then this new planet should be the father of Saturn, Silus. But rather than following the tradition of using names from ancient Roman religion, Bode instead opted for Silus's ancient Greek equivalent, Uranos. Uranos, the ancient Greek god of the heavens, was then Latinized to be Uranus. To this day, Uranus is still the only planet that veered from tradition with an ancient Greek namesake, a status most fitting for a planet beyond convention.
Wow.
Super cool.
Uranus is pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Neptune, my boy.
Along the dark edges of the solar system, it floats. Anchored by a star, but barely graced by its warmth, this traveler drifts alone, as deceptively calm and elusive as the deep blue sea. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun. At about 30 times the distance between our star and the Earth, or 30 astronomical units, Neptune is the most distant planet in our solar system. While the clouds create a cool, calm veneer from afar, up close they are whipped around by the most severe weather in the solar system. Winds on the planet reach speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour, nearly 5 times faster than the strongest winds recorded on Earth.
Oh, shit.
In fact, the winds are so powerful that they break the sound barrier.
Oh.
Named after the son of the ancient Greek sea god, Triton has ice volcanoes and may even contain a subsurface ocean. Much is left to be discovered about Neptune, its rings, and its moons. Only one spacecraft, Voyager 2, has visited these cosmic bodies, but future missions to this mysterious, icy world would have even more stories to tell.
Voyager 1 is the thing that we've sent the farthest into space, and then Voyager 2 is like right behind it.
I'm a little sad that like we didn't get rings or anything, you know?
No, we
I
just
got
got
the short end.
liquid oceans.
Yeah, we just got life. Voyager 1 is the furthest human-made object.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we sent Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 in separate directions. I think that's why Voyager 2 is past Neptune. I could be mistaken on that, but, you know.
Voyager 1 was launched September 5th, 1977.
77, yeah.
Launched 16 days after its twin. Why is
Wow.
Voyager 1 further then?
Because I think it's just seeing how far it can go.
Man, that's so cool. Do you guys have any thoughts? I mean, we've been at this for a while, but
Space
we haven't really been
space
talking.
is fucking cool. I'm just fucking fascinated, bro.
No, yeah, me too. I think one thing I've
I don't know
learned from all this,
starting up all that methane on Neptune and Uranus.
if there was a match to go off on Neptune, because of the amount of methane on it, will it just like explode?
Oh, that'd be crazy.
Light the whole planet.
Just send one smoker there.
Well, no, because there's no oxygen.
There's no oxygen,
You
right?
would need oxygen for
Oh,
a
yeah.
flame.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Huh.
So no, it would not just combust.
After learning all these facts from these videos, what is the coolest one that you didn't know?
I honestly didn't know that Uranus's moons, like went like
Orbit like a Ferris
vertically.
wheel?
Yeah, orbited vertically. That's crazy.
I didn't even know it had moons.
I knew they had moons.
I didn't realize how
I
many
didn't realize
moons all these
Saturn's
planets
rings
have.
were only a kilometer thick.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy too.
I didn't know it had a hexagonal storm on the pole.
There's so many fun facts we've learned today.
And I've always thought that gas planets, even though they are, obviously gas giants, I always assumed they had some type of rocky core, but they just accumulated an abundance of gas. You know what I mean?
I didn't know that Saturn had no solid surface at all.
Yeah, exactly. That's what's crazy to me.
I wish I could take
just liquid and gas.
I wish there was like a class I could take that's like all these cool facts without like the bitch ass like math and shit, Because if you get into astronomy, there's a lot of math going into that. But I just want to learn about planets.
Yeah, thank Newton.
That'd be a lot of fun. Fuck you,
Your
Newton.
local planetarium probably has some fun lectures.
Yeah. I'm sure you could go on field trips with some kids, man.
Yeah, just keep coming on the slab and we'll keep doing this, bro. I guess let's do black holes. So we talked about black holes as well.
I think I got time for like one more of these videos, then I gotta get cruising.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do black holes and then final thoughts.
Look up the pillars of creation.
Pillars of creation?
Or like some of the crazy nebula.
Yeah, pillars of creation are cool.
What's Pillars of Creation?
So created us.
Oh, I know this. I didn't know they had a name like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I've seen pictures of this before. The Eagle Nebula.
This is a region of interstellar space, gas and dust in our own Milky Way galaxy. That's part of a nebula we call the Eagle Nebula, 6,500 light years away from us in the Serpens constellation. These prominent and now famous pillars are sometimes called the Pillars of Creation because they're actually a region where new stars are still forming. So what we can see in this region is the effects of stars that have already formed, lighting up and ionizing this background wispy gas, and the environment where new stars are still in the process of forming, buried in the dense remaining columns of dust.
It's so fucking cool.
We see some of these hot spots that are right in the region of a protostar that's forming at the tips of these columns and then down through the columns. There's one there and another one down here. As you look carefully, you can see these regions where the protostars, as they coalesce, are heating the surrounding dust cocoon right around them. But in this visible light picture, we can't see into the dust to really see what's going on deep inside the cloud. This is also an image of the Eagle Nebula taken with the Hubble Space Telescope. However, this image is dramatically different from what we see in visible light because the infrared channel on the Wide Field Camera 3 allows us to peer through a lot of that dust that blocks the visible light. And so instead of seeing all the structure of the pillars that the visible light image allows us to see, this infrared view allows us to see through some of that dust, and we can actually see into those pillars. And then you'll also notice we see a lot more stars over the whole field because the whole field has a lot of dust, but we can see through it with this infrared view. And so we see many stars in the field that are already formed. We see regions where new stars are coalescing and heating up within these dense pillars, and it gives us information that complements what we can see in the visible light image.
So you see how dense this looks? There's one more thing. I forgot what it's called. Maybe the big void. There's
Each one of those like columns is 4 to 5 light years tall.
Gosh.
Boots void. Or I don't know how to pronounce that. Boots void. It's a giant portion in space.
Let Neil deGrasse Tyson talk about it.
Yeah.
Is this?
Yeah, let him talk about
I want to hear Neil.
There is a constellation in the sky called Bootes. It's got two O's in a row. Yeah. So there's an umlaut maybe over the second O. And what we found, my colleagues, decades ago now, it's well known, that there's a region of the universe beyond these stars that comprise that constellation. Constellation is a very local thing, like right in front of our nose, in our own galaxy. You go beyond our galaxy, beyond those stars that make up the constellation Bootes, and there's an absence of galaxies in that zone. It's a paucity. I don't want to say an absence. And a paucity, what's that word?
What's that mean?
Fewer than you might expect. So it became known as the Bootes void. And I haven't heard anybody talk about that in decades.
Why is there nothing there?
Well, there isn't nothing. There's something.
60 galaxies.
It's just, so if you look at the universe is spotty. It's not evenly distributed with galaxies. There's extra galaxies over on the left and a little fewer on the right.
Oh, okay.
Because gravity has a tendency to not spread things evenly.
Bootes.
There we go.
Yeah. It's a giant void. All right. Well,
Wow.
I think
That was pretty cool.
yeah, that was
Dude, I learned so much today.
I really didn't do much talking, but good videos.
In terms of an episode, we'll cut around it, but I had a lot of fun doing this. Yeah, man, space. It's crazy. Any final words?
Space is crazy.
Space do be crazy. And I hope we get to see some cool discoveries in our lifetime in that regards. I'm looking for Artemis 3, right? Is that the one where we're going to
Artemis 2 is the new one.
2's the moon, 3 is the people on the moon.
Landing on the moon.
And then we got the Europa Clipper in 2030.
Mm-hmm.
If I could wait for GTA 6, I can wait for Europa's Clipper.
Amen.
All right.
Dude, imagine GTA 6 gets delayed again. Dude, we got Europa Clipper before GTA 6.
All right. Thank you guys so much for joining, listeners. If you haven't followed, give us a follow. Only 60% of our current listeners actually are following us.
Yeah, pull up the stats on them.
Pull up the stats. But tune in next time for the next Slab episode.
Yeah, maybe you'll learn something. Or maybe it'll just be more brain rot where we just talk about hoopla.
Yep. 63.6% people that listen follow the show.
Come on, guys.
Come on, bring those numbers up.
Hit that subscribe button.
Leave a comment. Tell your friends. Adios.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.